Welcome to my Tolla Toll YouTube channel. I am Arun Prasad. I hope that you have watched my part 2 of the word vocabulary. This is our third part. In this video, we are going to see the next set of 12 word or strange vocabulary. So, let's start. Our first word is aphorism. I repeat the word aphorism. It is an adjective. It means a brief observation or scientific principle which contains general truth. That is, the concise statement by an author. The etymology of that word aphorism, it is a Middle French word aphorism derived from late Latin aphorismus from Greek aphorismos. Our second word is waggle. It is a verb and also a noun. It means move or cause to move with short quick movements from side to side or up to down. The verb forms of waggle are present tense is waggle, past tense is waggled, past participle is waggled. The etymology of that word waggle is it is a word derived from Dutch word waggelen to waggle. I repeat the word waggle. Our third word is combination. I repeat the word combination. It is a noun. It means the action of threatening or warning, intimidating remark or warning remark. I repeat this word combination. The etymology of this word combination is it is derived from Middle English Latin combination. I repeat this word combination. It means threaten or warning. This is our third word. Our fourth word is diddle. I repeat the word diddle. It is an adjective. It means skill or ingenious or cleverly intricate. The etymology of the word diddle is it is a Latin word diddlus from Greek daedalus, which means skillful, cunningly wrought. This is our fourth word. Our fifth word is octogenarian. It is a noun. It means person aged between 80 and 90 years old. I hope that you remembered in my first part of word vocabulary I said one word quadragenarian. That means person aged between 40 to 49 years old. Don't confuse with that word. That was quadragenarian and this is octogenarian. Octogenarian means a person aged between 80 and 90 years old. If you know the etymology of this word octogenarian, please comment in the comment box. This is our fifth word. Our sixth word is embrangle. I repeat the word embrangle. It is a verb. It means to confuse or bewildered or make complicated. The verb forms are present tense embrangle, past tense embrangled, past participle is embrangled. The etymology of this word embrangle derived from entangle or embroil, which was derived from French word brandler and also Old French word brandiler. It is our sixth word. Our seventh word is stentorian. I repeat the word stentorian. It is an adjective. It means very loud or powerful in sound, noisy and thunderous sound. I repeat the word stentorian. The etymology of this word stentorian derived from Stentator, legendary Greek herald in the Trojan War, whose voice was as loud as 50 men. His name is from Greek stenin, which means thunder. I repeat the word stentorian. This is our seventh word. Our eighth word is solipsism. It is a noun. It means the quality of being self-centered or selfish, that is egotist. I repeat the word solipsism. The etymology of this word solipsism derived from Latin word solus, alone, soul plus ips, self, that is solipsism. This is our eighth word. Our ninth word is Pridian. I repeat the word Pridian. It is an adjective. It means pertaining or belonging to previous day, that is representing yesterday. I repeat the word Pridian. The etymology of this word Pridian is derived from Latin word Pridianus, from pride on the day before. I repeat the word Pridian. This is our ninth word. The 10th word is velodrome. I repeat, velodrome. It means a cycle racing track, typically with steep banked curves, which means in stadium we have cycle racing track, which is called velodrome. The etymology of this word velodrome is derived from French word velodrome, from velo, colloquial abbreviation of velocipede, plus drome. I repeat the word velodrome. Our 11th word is session. I repeat the word session. It means the action of withdrawing from membership of a federation or body, from political state. I repeat the word session. The etymology of this word session derived from Latin word sessionum, which means separation or political withdrawal. This is our 11th word. Our 12th word is pusillanimous. I repeat the word pusillanimous. It is an adjective. It means lacking courage or resolution, or timid. It means cowardly, faint-hearted. The etymology of this word pusillanimous is derived from late Latin word pusillanimis, having little courage. This is our 12th word. Repeat the word pusillanimous. This is our 12th word. If you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe to my Toddler YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification for my next video. Thank you.